So I wanted to talk a little bit today about the difference between a junior and a senior role. So my job title currently is senior DevOps engineer. I've been principal technical specialist in the past. I've been just DevOps engineer. I've been DevOps consultant. But then I was having a conversation with my boss last couple of weeks, and then he was mentioning some of the expectations from me as a senior engineer on the team, and I wanted to share a little bit of that experience or that learning with you. So what is the main difference between a junior engineer and a senior engineer? A junior engineer is someone who, ideally is kind of new to the field, so needs a little bit of mentoring, a little bit of hand-holding, a little bit of guiding to get to their destination and actually grow in their career. And a senior engineer, of course, is someone who has had some years of experience, has had some battle scars, has some bit of extra insights into how things should be done, into the processes of doing things. They are a little bit more knowledgeable. Yeah, they don't know it all. Nobody knows it all really. But then they know a bit more. They have a bit of that extra edge over others who are junior. I'm not saying junior engineers are not great. They are very, very great. Even some of them know more than most senior engineers. But then a senior engineer is someone who thinks more strategically and gives insight into processes and which to be done. And they offer mentorship to the junior and intermediate engineers. Sometimes, yes, of course, titles most times don't mean anything. But then, in the context of a job, in the context of organizational hierarchy, that is what it means. It means you are somewhat someone that is to be looked up to. Someone is looking up to you, either you know it or not, either junior or intermediate or senior or principal engineer. Someone is looking up to you, and you want to behave, you want to learn to be in that position of seniority. You might not be a manager. They are independent contributors who are principals and seniors and don't manage anybody. So whatever career path you choose, either you want to be a people manager or just an individual contributor, being a senior person in the organization, you should always have that at the back of your mind that whatever you're doing, you are serving as a guiding light to others. You are even an inspiration to your peers. You are someone who some set of people are really looking up to. So you want to behave and act that way. And that is what I wanted to talk a little bit about today in the video and sort of just give that clarity. Of course, there's more to being a senior engineer than just knowing things and being a mentor. But I wouldn't want to cover that in today's video. It's something we'll talk about later in the upcoming videos I will be making. But then again, I guess I'll be seeing you again in another one. See you and goodbye.